Hi, Josh from Overfinch here, and I have something particularly special I'd like to share with you guys today. Definitely something out of the norm and slightly different to what you're probably accustomed to seeing on this channel. But outside, in that 96 degrees heat, hence the reason I'm in here in the office today, we have a particularly special Land Rover Defender 110 V8 soft top. So let's go take a look, see what we think. So in front of us we have the 1992 Land Rover Defender 110 soft top classic. So this vehicle has been fully restored and remodded by us at Overfinch. That was completed in 2022. Now, one of the first things that may catch your eye with this particular design and build and configuration is the 110 soft top look. Now, this isn't a configuration available from Land Rover factory at the time. Now, the Land Rover did introduce it with a 90 for the limited edition SVX model, but it was never available in a 110. So we've developed and designed this chassis and this body for this particular build. So this is a one-off build, a one-of-one, completely unique. I'm going to show you around the vehicle, externally and then internally. I'm going to not try to get too bogged down in too much of the detail and let the video do the talking here, because this is a stunning build. So just approaching from the front, the paint, by the way, is the Overfinch Obsidian Satin Black, a paint developed by ourselves for this particular build, and we have used it on some of the new model Range Rovers as well. It's a beautiful finish. So obviously the Overfinch hood lettering, black chrome with sandblasted inner. We have the worn winch as well fitted to this particular model. Got the Overfinch heritage badge in there, upgrading lighting and LED lighting. We have the Overfinch Apollo wheels fitted, wrapped there in the BF Goodrich all-terrain tyres. Just taking a look at the rear. Upgraded LED lights as well. Not sure if you can make out this detail, but you've got the carbon fibre around the exhaust tips. Fitted step at the rear. Now just taking a step from this angle from the rear, see the roll bar. With the soft top canvas as well, covering up the trunk bed and the spare wheel there. Now even the fuel cap has been purposefully designed and engineered for this particular project. That's a black chrome or black aluminum finish there. And that also is consistent through with the door handles, which have a knurled finish. Yeah. Machined from one solid piece of aluminum for this particular project. Now just stepping into the inner cabin, this is where this vehicle really starts to separate itself again. So you are greeted with a very luxurious black diamond quilted interior. Again, this is a Scottish hide of leather, similar to the Range Rover new models that we use. Got the little chrome accents there on the Overfinch badging. We've also got the upgraded Puma dash with the, you've got electric windows, heated seats, some of the convenience features. This vehicle's also got a rear camera fitted, just making it more convenient and that of up to speed of that of a 21st century vehicle. You may be thinking, what does it sound like? Well, here you go. One of my favourite features on the vehicle, the teak wood champagne cabinet. So this is a pull-out trunk fitted to the rear trunk space. You've got your glassware set there, 2 bottles of champagne holder, and also it has a cigar humidor, which I'll show you now. Very cool feature. Now I couldn't let you go without showing you what is under the hood. So that is a Overfinch carbon fibre engine cover, which is covering a LT1 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray engine, which is a 6.2 litre V8. Fits. Thank you for watching. If you would, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you.